Did you know that ants are super strong? Here are 5 facts about ants that you never knew you needed. Number 1. Ant anatomy. Ants have 3 main body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. They also have 6 powerful legs and strong mandibles. Number 2. Colony structure. Ant colonies are made up of a queen, female workers, and males. The queen lays eggs, the workers gather food and defend the nest, and the males mate with the queen. Number 3. Communication via pheromones. Ants use chemical signals called pheromones to communicate. They leave scent trails to guide others to food sources or alert them to danger. Number 4. Superorganism. Ant colonies function as a superorganism where individuals work together like cells in a single body. Number 5. Incredible strength. Ants can carry up to 50 times their body weight. That's the equivalent of a human lifting a truck. Now, you're welcome. Now, stay tuned for more fun science facts.